In this video I'm going to show you how to add a legacy contact on your iPhone, and if you suddenly pass away, your legacy contact will have a full access to your iPhone data that is signed on your iCloud account. That is photos, videos, messages, contacts, files, calendar, and call history. So now I show you how to add a legacy contact. That's very simple and easy. First, open up your settings and then tap on your name right here at the top, and here select password and security. And there tap on legacy contact and select add legacy contact. Then tap on add legacy contact. And now select a contact from your contacts. I will use search for that. Select a person and here tap continue. So now I got the access key, and that access key I need to give to my legacy contact. I can print that access key. I can use printer for that, or I can just zoom in that document. I can make a screenshot of that page. On iPhone 11 and above, tap volume up and power button at the same time to get a screenshot, and now this document saved in my gallery. So I just can send this document to my legacy contact. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.